Hello students, get ready for your science online class. So your second term exam is next near at hand. So I firstly tell you the syllabus for your science syllabus for your second term exam. Actually there are 4 chapters, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Chapter 5, chapter 6, chapter 7 and chapter 8. Chapter 5 Plant Reproduction. Chapter 6 Solids, Liquids and Gases. Chapter 7 Interdependence in Living Beings, Plants and Animals. And Chapter 8 Sound and Noise. As we already completed the chapter 5, 6 and 7, today we will go for the chapter 8 Sound and Noise. Okay, so let's start. Actually, listen, as I talk to you, uh, they created a sound as I talk to you. You know, we always hear different kinds of sounds around us. Can you say about a sound that is continue always? Yes, it is the sound of a clock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, it always running. The mechanical sound of a running fan or sound of AC machine also example of some continuous sound. Sounds can be soft or loud. For example, sound of music, sound of flowing river or chirping of birds are soft sounds. While dogs bark, whistle of pressure cooker or sound of a running machine, these all are loud sounds. Here you can see that it is sound of a music, sound of a guitar, or here sound of a wind chime. These all are soft sounds, and the sound of a bell or sound of microphone is a loud sounds which irritate us. So there are so you listen, there are some sounds which are pleasant to hear, and some sounds which are unpleasant. Horn of a car, bursting of crackers, loud sound of microphone, yelling of a person, etc. are unpleasant sound and cause irritation, even sometimes make us ill. And pleasant sounds like birds chirping or music of sitar, santoor or flutes energizes us and make us cheerful. Sound is a form of energy. When we talk over our phone, sound energy transfers into electrical signals. Remember, all living organisms can make sound. Humans, birds, animals, even insects produce sound. The purpose is communication with each other. Just think, we talk to communicate with each other. While we talk, we communicate with each other. You know, we humans can produce sounds with different body parts. For example, we can clap our hands, stamp our feet, or click our fingers. And animals can make sound too. Cats mew, bees buzz, lions roar, etc. Loud sounds are unpleasant, as I told you before, but sometimes such a sound help in case of any emergency. Okay? Sounds that alert people to threat or danger are called warning sounds. For example, ambulance siren, fire alarm, police siren, etc. Okay? As you know, an ambulance carry patients it makes a continuous sound of siren so that people can make way for it to reach earliest. Siren of a police van want people to clear the way, so that police can reach the people or the place in danger at the earliest. And you know, a fire alarm. A fire alarm sounds. A fire alarm sounds when a fire breaks in a building, so that people can move away or people can evacuate. Siren of a fire engine warns people of the fire emergency, fire brigade. Next is noise pollution. Unpleasant and loud sounds are referred as noise. Pollution created by noise is called as noise pollution. So there are some causes of noise pollution. Some of the major causes of noise pollution are horns of cars, buses, trucks and other vehicles on a busy traffic day. So you know all that. The sounds always irritate us. And listening to radio or TV at high volumes also unpleasant. And bursting of crackers, it is very much disturbing. Okay? So these are the causes of noise pollution. What are the effects of noise pollution? Harmful effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution is harmful for us. It can cause stress and headaches, loss of sleep, high blood pressure, and permanent hearing loss or deafness, mental imbalance and nervous disability, heart diseases. Even animals and birds get adversely affected by noise pollution. Excessive noise pollution affects the ability of animals and birds to find prey. And what are the ways to reduce noise pollution? Some ways to control noise pollution are setting up of industries as far as possible from the residential areas, fitting of silencer in vehicles and machines to reduce noise, no honking unnecessarily on the road, watching TV and listening to radio music on low volume, and planting more trees alongside roads to reduce the noise as the plants absorb noise. Okay, so this much is the topic, here in the topic. So I think you all go through the chapter thoroughly again, and I think you understand that whole chapter. And in your next class, I'll give you the question answers on this chapter. Okay, so you please all read the chapter thoroughly. Until our next class, bye.